Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your DELL Inspiron 353O laptop to the TV. To connect your laptop to a TV, we're gonna need to use the HDMI port on the left edge of this laptop, right here, and we're also gonna need a two-sided HDMI cable. I recommend getting yourself one with a better transmission speed for better image quality. Just insert one side of this HDMI cable into your laptop, and the other side will go into the external into the TV. So your TV must have, or usually the TV have around 2 to 4 HDMI ports on the back side that are either reachable from the left or from the right side of your TV. So just insert this HDMI cable into one of your HDMI ports, and then on your laptop we're gonna have to first select the projection type that you want to use. To do that, we're gonna have to press either F8 button or Windows+P combination of keys, and this will open the projection menu. And here we're gonna have to select either duplicate if you want to duplicate the image from your display to your TV, or extend if you want to use your TV as a second monitor for your laptop, or second screen only if you want to disable display on this laptop and only show the image on your TV. PC screen only will disable projection, so if you select this option you will not be able to project your device's display to your TV. And on your TV you're gonna have to switch to your input by pressing input button, or you may call it sources button. Basically, on your remote control you will see a button that looks like a rectangle with an arrow icon pointing inside of it, and this is the button that you're looking for. Just press it and select your HDMI input, which you used to connect your laptop to your TV, and then everything will be working just fine. And this way you'll be able to project the image from your laptop to your TV. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.